DecoNetwork makes it easy for you to store internal notes within a customer or a company profile. Simply go into a customer company profile and click on Add Internal Note. From here, we can add a note, something like doesn't hear well, very easy to work with. Or we could say, hey, this customer's an absolute pain. Let's not jump through the hoops for them. But we can add this internal note and it'll be stored within the profile. But maybe we want this to be an important note, something that pops up anytime we go to access the customer profile or we go to do something like a quote or an order for them. So what we can do is go into a note like that, or when we were making it, and we can flag the note as important. So if we come back to the customer profile, or if we go to create a quote or an order for the customer, this is going to pop up. A, doesn't hear well, so if we ever talk with them, we have that heads up, and they're very easy to work with. So you can make that note whatever you need it to be. You can flag it as important so that it pops up anytime we open up the profile or go to create a quote or an order. If you have any questions on how to create a customer note or anything else related to Business Hub or DecoNetwork software, simply come up to the question mark and you can access many great support resources. Never hesitate raising a support ticket with Client Services, who is always there to help you whenever you need. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.